These stands are specifically engineered in collaboration with Sonos to perfectly accommodate the Sonos One, One SL, and Play One speakers, ensuring a seamless and secure fit. Standing at a fixed height of 34 inches, they position your speakers at the ideal listening level for a seated audience, which significantly enhances the audio experience. Constructed from high-quality anodized aluminum, the stands offer a durable yet elegant design that beautifully complements the minimalist aesthetic of Sonos products. An integrated channel along the back of the stand cleverly conceals the speaker's power cord, resulting in a clean and professional-looking setup, free of messy wires. Assembly is remarkably straightforward and can be completed in approximately 15 minutes with just a Phillips screwdriver, following a simple 3-step process. The package includes both rubber feet for hard floors and optional spikes for carpets, ensuring stability on any surface in your home.